Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at some hippos. There's two, and then there's one right there. There's one. There's two there.
So this is the first family. So you are going to the next family. We have another family over there.
Guys, did you hear him? This is the first family. There's multiple families, guys. This is amazing. Guys, we're going very slow so the hippos don't see us as a threat. Guys, and we also have to be very pitch sight. And there's my fish. And here's my fish. I love him. So guys, he told us he's taking us to the X family. That's like 100. Where's the X family? Oh, there's one, guys. There's one. There's one. That's like. If a hippo just comes up like there, then that'll be terrible. Guys, that was a lucky find for me. That's one. Look, there's 1, 2, 3 over in the distance. Guys, let me just go over here real quick. Guys, look, so you can see better. Right there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 hippos there. There's 4 hippos. Guys, oh my gosh.
This is a very big family. There are about 25 to 30 hippos.
Sure.
There's that one that's going towards it. There's that one. There's that one. Guys, oh my gosh, we are so excited to see this. We're going on a VIP tour. How many VIPs can go on? Yes, you are VIP too. Okay, guys. Wow. This is so cool to see. 6 hippos. Yes, 6 hippos. What? No. 7, guys. 7 hippos. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And like right in the distance, guys, there's another hippo. Like right in the distance, like right there. And then there's another one right there by that tree. There's also that one. There's also that one that's coming up. 2 of them. It's coming up. I don't think that hippos will be this close to a road. So guys, there's one there, one there. Oh boy. There's 2 there. There's one coming up right here. Oh no. Guys, get ready. Guys, it's coming. It's coming, guys. Guys, you have to be quiet now.
So you see the hippo.